Like there's just a target for any business owner out there or self-employed person or whatever it is. You have a target on your back for that.
Correct. Because right or wrong, people think you have a lot of money because you're in business by yourself.
Correct. So anyway, that's all. I think my main point to all of that is, bottom line, I think it comes down to the whole goal with all of that from when it first started to now is still the same idea of it's to protect my family and my future.
Yeah. And folks,
and their future.
Folks, I tell you, we talk a lot about, we do this podcast from a consumer's perspective because we're consumers too. There are insurance companies out there that we will not do business with because we don't like the way that they do business. But you have to understand, they're in business to make money. Even those folks that were meeting in the London coffee house that ended up being Lloyd's of London, they were looking to make money. You know, long term, they were looking to make money, and they can't employ thousands and thousands of people without an income.
Okay. And I was going to say, and yeah, so finish your thought, but I'm over here. I don't have a problem with an insurance company making money. You want them to make money.
You want them to make money.
You just don't want to feel like you're getting taken for granted on the back end.
Correct. And that's kind of where I was going, is that when you see these 20, 30, 40, 50% or 100% increases in your premium, you're like, what in the heck? I get that. I do, because I look at it the same way going, what?
Yeah.
You know, you want them to make money because they need to be able to put profits back
reserves.
In the reserves in order to pay future claims. Now, a lot of things, one of the things that people don't know is that if you have a lot, there could be, let me back up. How can I say it? They are saving money in their account for claims, for liability claims that may have happened back in the 80s. Because they don't know whenever something may pop up because it's on a per occurrence type deal.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
You understand what I'm saying?
I know. I blacked out a little bit because I got distracted. That's on me.
It's probably the tequila. But anyway.
No, I looked, it's so rude. Like, be present, right, is the whole thing in life that we need to do. And my phone buzzed and I looked at it and then I squirreled.
But you get what I'm saying.
Yes.
As a former claims adjuster, you understand that you have to get the money somewhere to make the claim.
Correct.
Now, having said that, there are some, what do you call it, where you can't go back, but so many years.
Statute of limitations.
Statute of limitations, but not always.